Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a colored name in StumbleGuys and customize the way your username appears in the game. So let's get straight into the steps. First, open StumbleGuys on your phone or device. Once you're on the main screen, go to your profile. You can usually find your profile picture or username near the top of the screen. Tap on your profile to open your player information. Now look for the pencil or edit icon next to your current username. Tap on it to open the name editing section. Before changing anything, keep in mind that the exact options available for colored names can depend on the current version of StumbleGuys and the features enabled for your account. If the game supports color formatting in your version, you'll need to enter the appropriate color formatting code before or around your name. For example, if you have a valid color code for red, copy that code. Then return to the username field inside StumbleGuys. Paste the color code into the name field and add the username you want to display. For example, you could enter a name such as tutorial after the formatting code. Before saving, make sure the complete name fits within the game's username requirements. Once everything looks correct, tap Done, Save, or the confirmation button shown on your screen. StumbleGuys may display a preview of your new username. Check whether the color or formatting appears correctly. If the game asks you to spend gems to change your username, review the cost before confirming. If you're happy with the result, confirm the name change. Your new username should now appear on your profile and, where supported, in other areas of the game. If the color doesn't appear, don't worry. The formatting method may have changed in a newer version of the game, or the current version may no longer support that particular code. In that case, check the latest StumbleGuys settings or official information before trying another method. Also, avoid using unusual characters or third-party tools that could put your account at risk. And that's it. That's how you can change your StumbleGuys username and use a colored name when the feature is supported. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more StumbleGuys tutorials, gaming tips, and tricks. See you in the next video.